Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the 5THSCAPE token. Now I just saw on x.com a tweet from January 10th saying exciting news in VR, the 5THSCAPE VR presale is live. So this is a brand new project. They're doing a 12-round presale before it gets listed. And they're doing it right on their webpage, 5thscape.com. This is also known as the 5SCAPE token. We're going to go over the information on this project here and how you can get the token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the 5THSCAPE token, I'm going to put up their Twitter right here, at 5th_scape. It says unlock paralleled gaming adventures at 5THSCAPE, where virtual reality meets limitless imagination. Immerse, play, and redefine reality. Brand new project. They just joined Twitter in November 2023. Has a link to their webpage right there, 5thscape.com. They have 10,000 Twitter followers already, gold verified checkmark, and they only have 6 tweets so far. So their pinned tweet is talking about an airdrop. They're doing a total airdrop pool of 4,800,000 5SCAPE tokens. And there's an airdrop bot link that'll take you over to a Telegram. Basically, you just do the tasks and submit your data. So you can check that out there. There's like a little video tutorial thing that you can check out. But basically it says that they're giving away an airdrop of $48,000 in total worth of these 5THSCAPE tokens. The tweet underneath that, their most recent tweet from January 10th, is saying that their VR presale is live. Immerse yourself in premium VR content and elevate your gaming experience. Invest now for the future-proof adventure. Presale is live. So if you go to their webpage, you can find a full white paper, first of all, that's going to have the roadmap, tokenomics, all that type of stuff on here. So it says, designed to redefine the virtual reality landscape and elevate the gaming experience within the 5THSCAPE platform, 5SCAPE tokens are meticulously crafted to redefine the virtual reality landscape, offering a gateway to unparalleled gaming experiences within the innovative 5THSCAPE platform. At its core, 5SCAPE serves the dual purpose of enhancing the gaming journey for 2 key participants in the 5THSCAPE ecosystem. Number 1 is gamers, serving as the key to unlocking premium virtual reality content and exclusive in-game features. 5SCAPE provides gamers with an immersive and dynamic experience within the 5THSCAPE virtual reality world. It acts as a universal currency, facilitating seamless transactions across all ecosystem products and services, including VR games, headsets, gaming chairs, and developer resources. And number 2, for developers, incentivizing developers to contribute to the 5THSCAPE ecosystem by creating cutting-edge VR games. Developers can earn 5SCAPE tokens through the sale of their games and by actively participating in the 5THSCAPE Developer Center. This ensures a thriving community of creative minds collaborating to shape the future of VR gaming. By holding 5SCAPE tokens, gamers gain exclusive access to premium content, discounts on products, and the ability to transact within the ecosystem effortlessly. Simultaneously, developers benefit from a token that is not only recognized by their contributors, but also fosters a collaborative environment for continuous innovation and growth. The 5SCAPE token is more than just a digital asset. It's the key to unlocking the limitless possibilities of the 5THSCAPE virtual reality experience. Join us on this transformative journey. Now they have the design and technology behind the token here. So they have a whole overview. Basically, it uses blockchain technology, obviously. So it says it's on the Ethereum chain. So it's an ERC20 token. It's ETH compatible. It's got scalability, security, developer experience, community-centric approach, and tokenomics for a sustainable growth. It's a limited supply of 5.21 billion tokens. And then they have the utilities for the token on here. And yeah, discounts on all products, seamless transactions across the ecosystem, token value appreciation. They have distribution and allocation. So basically, 80% of the tokens are going to the pre-sale, 10% treasury and development, 10% liquidity, and there's also going to be airdrops. Now there's 80% going to the pre-sale because there's all those rounds. Like I said, there's 12 rounds. And so it starts at, a smaller price and then slowly gets more expensive as the rounds go on. There's different vesting periods. They have smart contract links on here. So they have links to the token, pre-sale vesting, liquidity vesting. They also have a Polygon contract sale and BSC contract sale. So basically it's like cross-chain. You can buy the token on different chains there as well. ETH, Polygon, and BSC. And yeah, so if you go to their webpage here, they have a how to buy. So if you click on that, it says connect your wallet, open MetaMask, Trust Wallet app, etc. Visit our website, which is 5thscape.com. So you can just click on how to buy and go over these steps here. Open your Google Chrome browser, click connect wallet to MetaMask, select your method of payment, ETH, BNB, Matic, or you could use USDT, it says, or card. If you don't want to use any crypto, you just want to use a credit card, you could do that too as well. Then yeah, it shows you how to buy with ETH, buy with BNB. Basically, you enter the amount of the currency you're using, like how much BNB, and then they're going to show you how much tokens you're going to get for that, how many 5SCAPE tokens, and then you accept the transaction in the MetaMask. And basically, click approve. And then it says, check your balance in the dashboard. Once the transaction has been completed and confirmed, you connect your wallet and check your current balance of tokens. And then it says claim. How you claim is when the pre-sale ends. You'll be able to connect your wallet and claim your tokens. Click claim tokens button and accept the transaction in MetaMask. And that's basically how it works. So brand new token. Go check it out. 5thscape.com. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.